In closing, next time I have a light, little eyeball can light where the ballast goes out or the transformer goes out, you think I'm going to go buy another one of these for $38? Absolutely not. I'm going to go to Amazon and I'm going to take all this information and I'm going to scan it. I'll put this, I can take a picture of this on my cell phone. I could also write it down and put it under the file home maintenance. I could write it down underneath my notes on my phone in the note areas. I got all kinds of stuff there. And then I'll check on Amazon if they have this, because I'll bet you they do. Because as I remember, I got another one kind of like this. It was a little bit smaller for a different type of light fixture. Okay, and it'll probably cost me $5-6. All right, there's a tip for you. But you know, don't necessarily use my word for it. If you want to go through all the headaches that I did and drive around and try to find one and try to get something else for yours, you can certainly do that. I'm just, this is what I'm going to do next time. Now, obviously, I couldn't have gotten this through Amazon this time because I didn't know what the replacement was for that other one. So I had to do my due diligence, run around and do all that kind of stuff. And it was very helpful along the way. But now, now that I have this information, I can see what I can do about saving some money next time this happens to me. And hopefully, you know what, it may never happen again at this house. But you never know. Okay, so now that I've got this project taken care of, and you know what that was. What am I going to talk about next time? It may have something to do with this. Stick around, keep watching my videos, and the more you watch, the more you learn.